Polo.
Yeah. Thank you.
No,
He's not going to eat.
He's not going to eat because he's...
Thank you. That's not a turtle.
What is that?
That's a carousel. Look, you have the chocolate. Look, another chocolate here. And some chocolate. What is that? Did you eat it? Ano ka? Oh, finish na. Oh, finish eating. How about this one? You taste this one. Oh, taste this one. Okay. You like it? Later you'll get it, okay? Later you'll get yung chocolates. And some, what's this? Some bread.
One,
Ay, ang sarap.
two,
Crispy.
three.
Oh, let's go to Papa first. You sit down first, then you will get yung cellphone mo. Go to Papa first. You will get yung cellphone. Now sit down here. Can you get yung cellphone mo here?
Palong.
Sit down here already. Where are you going? Some bacon. Some hash brown. Pwede magpaluto na. Pwede ka magpaluto ng egg mo. Sesame yogurt. Come on. See. Wild eggs. Baked beans. Green vegetables. This is white rice. So that's it. Upo kayo dun ah. Wait lang. Park?
Let's go to the...
Huh? Let's? Now you say it. What did you say to mom? Okay, are you sure you want to go there?
Admiral.
Admiralty.
Admiralty.
Center ay sa Admiralty. No, saan tayo?
Sa green, di ba?
Oh, anong way?
Dito.
Going down.
为保安全，穿着拖鞋或凉鞋的乘客使用扶手电梯时，请不要站进
Saan tayo bababa?
Dito ah.
Saan nga tayo bababa? Na station.
Ha?
Station.
Dali mo kami pangalan mo dyan.
Lalala!
Ayun nga.
Saan tayo bababang station? Ocean Park? Ano ba yan? O kaya agad. Wait, ito dyan. Alis ko dyan. Ah, sige, mauna ka. Wait. Dahan-dahan lang tayo pero hindi masyado mainit. What is that? Tago mo na agad. Tago mo na agad yung octopus car. Huwag mo yung sinasama dyan. Pupusin na. Alam, gago.
Pinakita. Hala. Pabe.
Sa na.
謝謝，大家好，請將手袋及背囊等物品打開，以配合安全檢查。如攜帶大型行李，大家好，請將手袋及背囊等物品打開，以配合安全檢查。如攜帶大型行李。
Hala, kawawa si Apollo. Wala siya. What is that, Apollo? But it's not moving. Is it moving?
No.
It is?
Apollo, wait. Apollo. Follow. Follow.
CR yate. Ay, kiosk.
Sleeping. Iibalak na tayo ano.
Walang kami. Walang let's buy. Dito lang kami. Dito lang kami. Follow. What is that? Can you see her? You wanna see si Penguin today?
Let's see. Why is this penguin?
Harla. Tara. What is that, Apala? But it's not moving. Is it moving?
No.
It is?
Follow, wait. Follow. Follow. Follow.
CR yate. Ay, kiosk.
Sleeping.
Apollo, not... Ano, upo ka nga. Ay, ay, ay. Huwag mo siya gihayaan mo lang siya.
旅程中，請人請緊一扶手，跟住一路上座位。
Please hold the handbrake. Properly sit close to the back of the chair.
旅程中，請你緊握扶手，握緊。
Carla. Carla.
Ang galing doon. Gusto kong sumakay doon. Oh.
Saan?
Yung sombrero mo, anak. Para bigla ka.
Look here. Let's go up. Don't Remo. Sakay ka dyan?
Oo nga, magugutom. Sulit yung sinalmog dito. Ang dami lakaran, no?
Yes. Dito, papasok tayo dito sa penguin. Look yung penguin, no? Sabi ko sa'yo. Tuxedo restaurant naman. Saan mag-entrance ito? Ito. Saan ba yung entrance?
There.
Dito na lang. Tara, can we go? Ay. Iikot ka muna. Go, Papa. Open it. Oh, lamig. Ang balkan. Alam lansa may. Wala.
Wow!
Gusto ng cake na.
There's this cute penguin na.
What is that?
It's a cute penguin.
What is that?
It's a tao feeding that penguin.
Wait. Wait.
Alam mo, ito yung lagi niyang napapanood sa TV. Look, there's a baby penguin here. Walang look here, ah.
Nakakatawa sa close encounter.
Hala! Look, pala there's a brown penguin. I think it's
Sa monkey.
look, it's a brown penguin. Did you see a brown penguin? You know. How many penguins do you see? How many penguins? So many. Look, it's under here. Here. Look. There's a baby one over there. Oh, look! Ang galing nila mag-swimming, ha?
Yeah, galing din mag-swim. Oh, swimming na penguin.
Okay. Yung para bitin-bitin na.
Here now, here. Right here. Carlo, ngayon ko magkakasakit siya dito kasi sobrang lamig. Dapat maglabas. Isa na ako sa'yo. Di ba? Hindi kasi mabubuhay ang penguin pag hindi super lamig. Kasi South Pole sila eh.
Well, let's go.
Ang dali siya ang magsasabi. See you later.
Okay, see you later again. Come on, you happy? Happy?
Ang dali naman. Ito naman. Huwag naman siya. Gusto ko mag-enjoy. You'll go back pa?
Later.
We'll go see the other fish now. I open it now. Push. There's si Papa mo. Oh my God. Did you see si Papa? Papa is over there. Oh my God. Ala! Ala, hindi gumagalaw si Papa. Oh my God. Ay, parang wala lang sa kanya. Galing nga. No, that's not for bata. Yay! Wow! There's si Papa. Where's si Papa? Wait for it. Ay, wait first yung phone mo. There! Yun si Papa. Bakit hindi gumagalaw si Papa mo sa taas? Nakatirik na naman. Yes. Perla dito.
It's a seal.
Hello, it's a seal.
Yan si mama. Oh, it's really, oh. Ganda tignan yung seal na naglalako, eh. Parang fresh pa niya.
Ha?
Ganda niya tignan na naglalako.
Look, pala, it's a seal.
Fish daw, ma'am. Ah, sino nagturo mo? Ay, naman seal sa akin na. Ay! Ang ganda naman.
Ang ganda naman yung seal. Hi, seal!
Pangit naman talaga yung pink.
Sabi ko na, ikaw kasi yan nakuha eh.
What is that?
Tubig yun. Pag bumuhos to, lulubog tayo dito.
Sure?
Yun na yun. Ano ba yun? May magandang hindi. Let's go. Let's go to the shark. Come on. Go.
Punta na tayo sa Shark Mystic.
Wow. Let's go.
Basahin mo ah. Saan tayo? Ay! Careful, careful.
Slowly anak, slowly.
Where?
Dito. Right. Ayan, video mo yan. Oh.
Perla!
Remember, don't use the flashlight later.
Wala, sabi niya. You go there inside. Yan mo siya mauna. Yan mo siya mauna.
Ano po, ito yung labi niya. Ganun ba naman ako?
Pati naman, oh. Hanggang ano.
These are Nicholson trees.
Trees? Letter sense trees?
Bye-bye, jellyfish.
Here.
Alam da.
Maupo muna tayo.
These have white down stripes.
Ano guys, sa malamig? Dito.
Wala, picture ko.
Init ka.
Kita ko yun, sabi niyo. Sabi niyo.
Init kasi, tapos paakyat pa. Tama na tayo. Nandiyan tayo dun sa ano. Hindi na.
Ako kahit ano. Binuhat ko pa nga yan, di ba? Pero syempre sasalang-alang mo yung kung kaya niya kaya.
Ay, alam ka na, Carl.
Relax mo.
Oh my God, umiilo yung medyas ko. Hold on, look at Mama's socks. It is color. Carla, tignan mo yung ano ko. Carla, tignan mo yung socks ko. Yung socks ko. Tsaka yung shoes mo. Ako yung socks ko. Wow. Si Apollo. Malo, hindi umiilaw yung socks mo.
See you later, jellyfish.
Look at Mama's socks. Mama's socks. It has an ilaw.
Oh, there's some beautiful there. Akala ko ang dami-dami nito yung mga pan lang pala.
Ay,
Mirrorize lang pala yung
nag-mirrorize lang. Okay.
Jellyfish are cool.
They don't have brain, they don't have heart. But they eat.
Ah, wala silang brain
Oo,
and
kahit
heart.
search mo.
Ay, paano sila umaano?
Oo, walang brain, walang heart.
Paano nga?
Wala lang, basta living organism lang sila. Nakapagtaka rin ako.
Oo nga eh. Sana jellyfish na lang tayo para wala tayong puso at di tayo nasasaktan.
Mamatay na tayo.
Grabe na, isip niya mamatay na.
Alam mo, may pagpahingaan dito.
Feeling.
Mga pahingaan. Gusto ko siyang paupuin.
Alam mo, pag naglagay sila ng upuan dito, lahat ng tao nakaupo na dito, hindi naaalis.
Lord of Flies.
Ha? That is?
Jellyfish are so cool.
Are so cool. What is it? You say it one more time.
jellyfish are so cool.
Galing naman.
They don't have hearts. They don't have stripes.
What?
Now let's go. Mama, see you later, jellyfish.
Slowly kasi anak.
Mamadali kasi.
Slowly, walk slow, anak. Walk slow. Walk slowly. So that you will not be.
Ha? Nawala na yata to. Exit na yan. Exit na yata to.